Kevin the Eco Man here. Today we're going to learn everything you need to know about Diatomaceous Earth. I love Diatomaceous Earth because it has so many different uses. You know, you can use it indoor, outdoor, in brick, around doorways, windows, entry points, attics, crawl spaces. It just has so many uses to keep pests out of your home. Diatomaceous Earth is eco-friendly. It's safe for people and pets. Lasts about 3 to 6 months worth of control. It's made from crushed rock from the ocean. It strips the exoskeleton of insects. It doesn't do anything for humans once it gets on theirs. Diatomaceous Earth is an extremely important tool in my package that I use daily because it just helps me get in front of a lot of the pest issues prior to them getting here. It's more of a preemptive strike. You always want to make sure, try to get most of your dust inside of this thing, and this is a really good thing to use, spout to use. That way you keep most of your product inside where you want it to go. The great thing about this central bulb duster, it's aerodynamic so that you can get into tight corners and areas from the sides. Reaching up high gives you an extension. A good way to keep the dust from clumping and clogging up in the line is put you a couple of rocks, get your kids marbles, and that way you always, if you can hear it, you always keep that mixed up well and broken up so it won't clog up your line as you're applying. How to apply the Diatomaceous Earth in a couple different ways is these two central bulb dusters. Now, you see the two different sizes, and you may be saying, why do you need two different sizes? This one, of course, is for small applications and indoor use. This is for your larger applications and your outdoor use. So we're gonna apply Diatomaceous Earth under the siding where a lot of your pests will try to move in to get inside your home. So take a look. So after a while, that dust is just gonna fill in those voids and those pockets, you know, that they move through. Unseen areas that aerosols, gels, and other products just won't reach. Customers may be wondering about the Diatomaceous Earth and the different versions out there on the market. So I always look for food grade. Some Diatomaceous Earth products may have added pesticides in them. So if that's a thought of yours, I always recommend just review those labels and Google anything you may need, and then you'll make the best choice of what works for you. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Do you need the Eco Man's help? Book today by clicking the link in the description.